Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this additional of 2 days newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, May the 15th, 2024. Already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left, and it's a Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru, and this will be number 8542. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. It's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? I see here a triple box, here a triple box, and there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given here, so the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright, let's go to this triple box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. How about here? Same situation. Cannot fill this. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other 2 numbers, 2 and 3, could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me mark those. The other side is already given, the 5. Do we have more triple boxes? 1, 2, 3. No. How about quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Nope. Only 1. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? It's rotated, the L shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape in this puzzle, the Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z, or if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. It's the same shape, the Z and the S construction. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes. Oh, wait. 1, 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 1, 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. It's supposed to be here. And these 3 boxes. So wait. These 2 boxes. No. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4. Because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. We have a double 1 there. Yeah, so it's not a solution to place the 1 here. Only place left 1. Should be here. Okay, now we have a 1 here. We have a triple box. That means that this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Need to think. This box can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Not easy, this one. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this Z construction should be here. Need a 2 here. Yeah. Wow. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not helping me. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2 then. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1 is connected with that box should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 5, need a 3 here. 3. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2, 4. 2, 4. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 1, 3, 4. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. In this triple box, 1 box left should be the 2. Alright. Give me 2, 2, 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Yeah. Need to think. 2 and a 4. Need a 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Here can be 4. There could be a 4. 2, 5. Yeah. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on. 1, 2. Where's the opening? The opening. This box can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. And this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. If you place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not exclusive to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here then. Alright. 1 and 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Yeah, these two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. And if eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, and this box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. And if eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And if eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then, yeah. I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box. Will be so 5, 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 2. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here, and if it eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this W area shape for number 5. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Mark those two boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box will be 2, and I've eliminated the other 1, so the 1 goes there. Then, let me see. This box cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be 5 because give me 1. Give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 3 and 4. And let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Then, let me see. 2 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Then 3. Let me think. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and a 5. This box. I need a 2 here. Yeah, I need a 2 in this area. This box gave me 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 5 there. So the 4 is supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 4. And 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And a final 2 numbers, 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.